Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for data analysis. Using ChatGPT for data analysis is possible but not ideal, as it is primarily designed for generating human-like text responses and doesn't have built-in functionality for data manipulation and analysis. However, you can utilize its capabilities in combination with other tools to aid in your data analysis task. Here are general approach you can follow. First is preparing your data. Ensure your data is in a format compatible with the tools you plan to use. Common formats include CSV, Excel, JSON, or databases. Clean your data by removing any irrelevant or duplicate entries and handling missing values. Next is choose a programming language tool. Python is a popular choice for data analysis due to its rich ecosystem or libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and its Jupyter Notebook environment. Other tools like R, SQL, or specialized software like Tableau can also be used based on your requirements and familiarity. Third is set up your data analysis environment. Install the necessary libraries and tools depending on your chosen programming language or software. If you're using Python, consider setting up a virtual environment and using package managers like Anaconda or Pip to install the required packages. Fourth is import your data. Depending on the format of your data, use the appropriate libraries or functions to import it to your analysis environment. In Python, the Pandas library is commonly used for reading and manipulating structured data. Fifth is perform data analysis tasks. Utilize the available tools and libraries to perform the desired data analysis. Data analysis operations such as filtering, sorting, aggregating, or visual the data. Refer to the documentation and resource specific to your chosen programming language or software for guidance on performing different analysis tasks. Last is leveraging ChatGPT for assistance. If you encounter specific data analysis or questions or need assistance, you can use ChatGPT to ask for help, insights, or suggestions. Frame your questions clearly and provide necessarily context to get relevant responses. Remember, while ChatGPT can provide general guidance and suggestions, it's essential to understand the limitations. It's not substitute for specialized data analysis tools or substitute for your own critical thinking and domain expertise. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!